Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add WhatsApp button to your Shopify store. Now this is free, you don't have to pay for anything, okay? The app that we are going to use offers a free plan and we are going to take advantage of that. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store, and yeah, after that you want to click on settings at the very bottom left so that we can add a WhatsApp button to our Shopify store, like people will be able to contact us with like using WhatsApp. Now click on apps and sales channels and when I click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now after that, guys, in the top you just need to search for WhatsApp button. Okay, now there are a lot of apps here that you can find, but as you can see, my shop WhatsApp button, you can use any of these apps. Like make sure they are free plan available. There are also apps that you don't even have to pay for subscription. They are free, completely free. I'm going to use this app. It's called Dondy okay, Dondy WhatsApp chat, WhatsApp marketing plus chat. Now I'm going to use this app. Okay, click on install. Next thing you need to do, guys, you want to click again on install in the next page, and then I will show you guys how you can add the WhatsApp button to your Shopify, but like in just a few seconds. Now here you just need to, let me just close this. Here you can either add one-click cart recovery, you can add WhatsApp chat button, you can add automated WhatsApp messages, one-click order notifications. Now first let's just add a WhatsApp button. Click on add WhatsApp button. Okay, here in the next page you just need to add here, for example, if you live in United States, select here United States. I live in Morocco currently, so I'm going to select Morocco. All right, now after you select here your country, you want to enter the number. I'm going to enter my number right now. All right, now after that, guys, after you enter here your number, okay, I made a mistake here. I'm going to change. Okay, so you just need to select here the size of the icon. If you want it to be bigger, personally I like it to be like medium, not bigger, not small, just the middle. Okay, choose the location of the WhatsApp widget on the page. Now I'm going to choose in the left. I want to put this widget in the left, this WhatsApp icon in the left, so that people will see it. Or you can put it anywhere. For example, right, you can put it right bottom corner of the screen. I'm going to put it here. Now like filled message optional. Okay, so this message will be pre-filled in the WhatsApp chat when the customer clicks the chat button. You can leave it empty if you want. You don't have to type for it. You can type anything you want here. For example, I have a question, you can type here something like that. Now at the bottom here you can see chat bottom text label call to action. Now this feature only available when you upgrade to the pro plan. Okay, now that's the problem with this feature. Now you can also select, for example, the premium button if you want to change the color. For example, you want to change to other colors. Okay, now it seems like a few buttons are available for free. The only one that is available free, which is the default one. Okay, now it says here, I would like to receive API updates and emails from this app, like sales and other relevant information. Yeah, I'm going to check it. Click on save. Okay, change this save. Now enable widget. To enable it, so don't enable, like click on this enable widget. It will take you directly, guys, to your Shopify App Store, and then you want to enable it here. Okay, make sure you enable the widget here. It will be like this. Make sure you enable it, then click save. All right, now after, guys, you enable the WhatsApp widget, now I'm going to go to my Shopify store and see if I can see the WhatsApp button there. I'm going to okay, I'm going to check this right now, and then I will show you guys how it looks like. Okay, how it looks. I'm going to scroll down. Okay, this is the WhatsApp button. As you can see, I'm going to hide this bar. As you can see, this is WhatsApp button. If someone clicks on it, it will redirect them directly and then they will be able, guys, inside your phone, they will be able to contact you, okay, inside your Shopify store. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if you need any help. I'll reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.